remaining in the elimination round ng inyong Commissioner's Cup. Paigpit ng paigpit ang bakbakan sa pwestuhan sa ating pagtulak patungong playoffs. At habang nagbabaga ang araw ngayong linggo ng pagkabuhay dyan sa labas, dalawang nag-iinit na po naman ang magsasalpukan dito sa loob ng MOA Arena. Rain or shine, Gunspray share of the lead once again as they take on the red-hot Air 21 Express. Kaya naman, ang ating labanan ay ating papamagatang bakbakan sa tag-init. Hello everybody, and from inside the MOA Arena, ako po si Magu Marjan. Kasama natin ang 11-year PBA veteran at ang muling nabuhay din na si Johnny Escobar.
Happy Easter po sa inyo lahat. Happy Easter, Magu. At isa sa pinakamaiinit na kupunan ang Air 21 ngayon, Magu, slowly gaining recognition as mga giant killers. Magu, dahil ang tinatalo lang naman nila Alaska at number 1 spot, mga San Mig Mixers, nakadalawa sila sa Global Fourth. Magu, that makes 4 straight wins para sa kupunan ng Air 21. Sa kabila naman, playing very balanced basketball. Itong rain or shine, perennially, always nasa 1, 2, 3 spots yung mga yan. Kaya talagang makes for interesting basketball ngayong hapon.
Ang rain or shine gusto rin makaulit naman dito sa Express, samantalang Air 21 gusto bumawi to sa heartbreaking defeat na kanilang natamo back in February 27 nang sila'y mapatumba ng Rain or Shine 99-97.
Says on your screens, Rain or Shine 99, Air 21 97. Pero yan ang naging start ng kanilang confidence. Magu, obviously, very evident na talagang they could hang with the big boys. Nakita natin dyan, Michael Dunnigan, nagpapakita ng lakas niya dyan. At ayan, Magu, yung Rain or Shine, isang malupit din na kalaban ng magiging Air 21 na yan.
Lalong-lalo na pag binabanggit mo, kumpiyansa yung Rain or Shine. Back-to-back wins din ang kanilang pinanggalingan. Lalong-lalo na kanilang pinatapa yung powerhouse na Talking Dex. Hindi lang pinatapa, manhandle. Might be the best adjective to describe it. Tignan mo naman yung final score, Jalski, 116-85.
Yan ang mga magagaling na team, Magu. Malingat ka lang, mag-relax ka lang ng konti, magkakaproblema ka dyan. Hindi ka pwede talagang mag-relax against this very good team. Sandali lang na mag-relax ka, you snooze, you lose. Magu, yan ang nangyari dyan nung nakalaban nila ang Talking Dex.
Coach Yang Gial will be pitted once again against Coach Franz Pumare naman ng Air 21 and the 7'3". Bruno Shunda will be going up against one of the most impressive imports we have in Team London, none other than Michael Dunnigan.
Michael Dunnigan, do it all import. Ang ganda na naging pasok niya dito sa Air 21. One of the leaders, if not the leader para sa kanyang kupunan. At sabi rin ni Coach Franz, Magu is a very coachable player. Kaya talagang lahat, the stars have been aligned para dito sa Air 21. Kaya man apat na kabit-kabit ang kanilang panalo. No?
Si Dunnigan leads everybody in scoring dito sa ating Commissioner's Cup. Pero natalo siya doon ni Shundov. Pagdating sa jump ball, kasama ni Shundov sina Paul Lee, Kirby Cruz, Chito Jaime, and Jaire Ibanez. Makakatapat niya ito sina Michael Dunnigan, Willie Arboleda, Bitoy Omolon, Nino Cañaleta, and Mike Cortez. And yung depensa ng Air 21, yan ang isa sa mga susi sa kanilang apat na digit-digit na panalo. Turnover kagad ang pwersa nila dyan.
Tama, partner. They're really working hard on their defense. Itong Air 21, pero nakikita ng turnover from them. First blood ang dinro ngayon ng Rain or Shine.
Rain or Shine naman, what you can do, we can do too. Paul Lee getting the steal and the layup. He draws first blood dito sa loob ng MOA Arena.
It's going to be interesting to see itong dalawang to, Michael Dunnigan sa si Shundov, partner. Alam naman natin kung gaano ka-aggressive pinakita dyan ni Dunnigan, pero 7'3 is 7'3. Malaki yan. Talagang susubukan i-punish nitong si Bruno Shundov, itong si Michael Dunnigan sa ilalim.
Pero sa pagkakataong yun, Johnny, wais no line of sight sa basket. Ginawa nito ni Dunnigan, inihagi sa board, kinuha din kagad yung rebound para makakuha ng putback. Tama niya, mabubutata ka na eh. Teka, kaya ko to.
Kailangan hugutin niya na lahat ng skills din niya dito kay Shundov, partner. Some big guy. 7'3", giving away about 5 or 6 inches ng si Dunnigan. Tapos syempre sa pounds niya dahil ang laki niya. 30 to 35 pounds din ang lamang itong si Bruno Shundov over Mike Dunnigan.
Canaleta, leading local scorer ng Air 21, gets it over to the second leading scorer para sa kanila local-wise na si Mike Cortez. Cortez di discarte, back over to Dunnigan. What a jam by Duncan Dunnigan.
He's going to try to beat this Rain or Shine team and Bruno Sundov with his quickness. Ano? Hindi siya kayang habulin to ni Sundov as nakita natin evident pagkatapos ng play na yun.
Isa sa nagiging problema ni Bruno Sundov dito sa ating Commissioner's Cup is staying away from foul trouble. Do we expect the same here tonight na si Dunnigan sobrang agresibo ang kanyang binabantayan?
Sigurado yan, time and again, paulit-ulit ang mga coaching staff nitong Rain or Shine team na yan na telling him to stay away from this, lalo na yung mga tiki-taki fouls na yan. Huwag na siya pumal or pagka talagang kailangan, give a hard foul na. Pero syempre, they want him to be one of the closers of this Rain or Shine team. Napakalaking halaga. And he can shoot free throws, he can shoot, he can score period. As we see a nice lay-in galing dito kay Pito Yumulon.
6-2 na nasa ating talaan. That's a 6-0 run para dito sa Air 21. Take this 4-point lead. Ball lead. Huli ni Dunnigan. Pangulon, pinulot yung bola. Cortez over to Dunnigan. Cruz in front of him. They go to Arboleda. Hesitates on the 3. No looks it over to Dunnigan. Dunban misses that one.
They see the strength of Dunnigan inside. Pinakita niya earlier. That's why they went to a 2-3 zone. Panandalihan na yan. Testingin muna nila yan.
Looking at this Rain or Shine lineup, parang wala masyadong panggagalingan ng Obensa Jolly. Chito Jaime and Jairo Ibanez sabay dito. Couple of defensive specialists para kina Coach Yeng Giao. Last touch si Omolon, mananatili ang bola. Or rather, last touch si Paul Lee, mananatili ang bola dito sa Air 21.
Para sa Rain or Shine, kaya Podi ang magagaling mga points. And Jeremy Cruz is also playing very well offensively. Taas na kanyang field goal percentage at least 50+% sa 2-pointers or overall field goal percentage.
Ibanez sends up with it, gets it over to Jaime, scooting in, nilwalang ng ring.
These are the little shots that Chito Jaime has to make. And Coach Yeng Giao giving him the confidence, starting him in this game. Yan, dapat ma-finish yan. Pero sabi mo nga, mainly, he's there for defensive purposes. Pero dyan mo na rin kukunin yung confidence, making little layups like that. Dapat next time, he should finish.
Chito Jaime, and only second start para dito sa Rain or Shine sa Commissioner's Cup. Jeremy Cruz likewise, and a second start is fouled. Binanggit mo na, no, yung efficiency na ito ni Jeremy Cruz as he moves the line. Johnny, this is a guy who averages less than 16 minutes per ball game si Jeremy Cruz. He shoots 50% from the field. Kulang-kulang 8 puntos at mahigit 4 na rebound per contest. Ibang klase ang pinapakita ng bata nito.
Ka rin talaga, no? Kasi tapos, although he missed that, he's shooting in 83% sa free throw yan, Magu. So, let's hope we didn't jinx yung kanyang pangalawang free throw, no? We don't, no? Pero yun na nga. So, expect him to attack the basket numerous times. Pero nung USD yan, in his amateur days, talagang sa ilalim yan. Pero because of the confidence also, again, given by itong si Coach Yeng Giao, yung mga jump shot, 15 footers na yan si Jeremy.
Canaleta kontra Jaime. Canaleta, sinalubong pa ni Shundov. Jaime, inaako yung foul. Chito Jaime is tagged with a personal.
Isa pa to si KG Canaleta. Expect a lot of points coming from KG. Shoots the ball very well at about a 33% clip from 3-point area. No? 36 yata itong si, plus yung kanyang free 37, no? KG Canaleta. Free throws niya is also good. Medyo matakas yan.
Canaleta splits. 7-3 is the score. Apat ang abante ng Air 21. Lee to the corner. Jaime for 3. 10 beats. Arboleda para sa rebound. Tagampala ni Jaime. Nakaninong bola na kay paring Winnie Arboleda. Cortez gets it across. Dunnigan trying to go for first. Alim ng pinagdukutan nun. Offensive foul whistled on Dunnigan dahil sinalo ng panga. Ito ni Shundov yung kanyang siko.
Malakas yun. Parang narinig ko yung tama yung siko nitong si Dunnigan dito kay Shundov, ano? Pero bali wala. Nakatambal. Matigas din ang panga nito ni Shundov.
Lee kontra Arboleda. Less than 8 minutes remaining sa ating opening quarter. Paul Lee trying to go left. He pulls up for a 3. Pushes it through.
Gotta love it. Gotta love it on si Paul Lee. Steady, nonchalantly taking that 3-point shot. Ano? He's the main point guard of this Rain or Shine team ngayon sa first quarter.
5 of the 6 points ng Rain or Shine galing dito sa lethal weapon. Pero isa pa rin ang abante ng Air 21.
Ito naman backcourt ng Air 21, napaka very potent there. At sinukat at Paul Lee, no? Itong si sa uno, itong si Mike Cortez. Pero pwede rin mag-boss, pwede rin nag-uuno yan, may tangan ng bola, itong si Winnie Arboleda.
Omolon nakawala, pinawi kagad yung tres.
Also one of those players na evolved into an offensive threat, ano? Itong si Bitoy Mulon. Usually, dati, for defensive purposes lang din yan siya.
High-low play, nice ball fake, Shunzov with a hook.
Nice basic big man move sa ilalim itong si Bruno Shundov. No? Nakita ng bola sa kanan, balik sa kaliwa, baby jump hook.
5 minutes into this Easter Sunday basketball game. Dalawang abante ng Air 21. Dunigan naipit. Jaime, wala nang pupuntahan doon dahil he was in mid-air.
Going for the late double team itong si Chico Jaime. Tinipig na muna lang kung kaya ni Shundov single coverage, pero talagang very aggressive. Inaatake talaga nitong si Dunigan si Shundov early in the game, ano?
Dunigan averaging just under 26 points per ball game. Ang problema, yan, 67% shooter lang siya from the free throw line.
This is the nice seal of Shundov, partner. Nice jump hook.
Mintis pareho para dito kay Dunigan. So nananatiling 10-8 ang nasa ating talaan.
Kailangan niya medyo ayusin niya ang si lead progresses, ano? Dahil talagang magiging closer din yan for Frasco. Definitely.
What a lazy looking jumper galing dito kay Paulie. Parang ay, wala bang bantay? O sige, pabanda ko na to. Tapos na. Tabla ang ating labanan at 10. Second deadlock of this contest.
Matirang contract na yan. Minsan yan na magunawa. Papagal-pagal lang yung pasok.
Canaleta pulls up against Jaire. Cruz para sa rebound, gets it over to Paul Lee.
So pipa ang mentality kahit kasama mo na yung nag-rebound.
Having good stuck.
Oo, sa akin na yan.
Naman, oh.
Iabot ko na lang sa'yo.
Nung araw ba, sino na Coach Ronnie Magsano ba? Inaagawan ka ng rebound dati.
Akin yan. Bibigay ko naman yan sa'yo, Kape.
Pero what a start here para dito sa angas ng Tondo. Paul Lee, 7 points already para sa kanya. Tumalbog nga lang palabas yung kanyang unang free throw. Siyempre, always in attendance. Saan man maglaro, etong rain or shine. Ang support crew neto ni Paul Lee, ang mga kapwa niya, angas ng Tondo. Mintis nga lang pareho. Maya, yun, oh. O, kita mo naman. Dati t-shirt lang ang uso, ngayon di na kailangan ng t-shirt. Neto ni Kuya,
Permanente. Nakasukat.
yun ang ano, talagang hardcore na angas na Tondo.
Alam mo na kung si Fanino yun.
Di ba meron ka tato?
Meron. Pero where the sun don't shine.
Tato ka ulit, libre kita, pero pangalan ko. Ay, ganun-ganun lang ha. Bitoy Omolon makes it a 4-point lead na naman para dito sa Air 21.
Early in the ball game, Air 21 nagpapakay strong start ang Air 21 Express.
Tapang dead ball situation kaya wala pang timeout dito. First mandatory will be charged to rain or shine dahil sila nanalo sa jump ball. Kirby in traffic is fouled. 5:09 natitira sa quarter number 1. 14 na ang nasa ating talaan. It is Air 21 by 4 points. Timeout muna para sa rain or shine sa ating pagbabalik. Habang nagre-reklamo si Coach Franz Pumaren, makakasama na natin maya-maya si Miss Jessica Mendoza. Ito pagka may mga ganitong malahiganting mga mamang magbabakbakan, dyan excited itong partner ko si Jolly Escobar. Ito yung mga kadikdigan mo sa loob. Ito yung mga kapagkaan mo nung araw. Ngayon, sila ngayon ang ating magtatapatin.
Malulupet. Ito, we were talking about these two kanina, compare natin. Pero later we'll show them yung minutes Maguno. Michael Dunigan, go-to guy on offense. Yes, anchor on defense. Ang kanyang passing skills. But as ito naman si Shundov, yung shooting touch niya andyan, kaya pwedeng finisher din talaga siya kasi he makes free throws easily, unstoppable down low. Pero yun na nga, yung kanyang mga defensive moves, medyo hindi masyadong marami yan. Diyan naman, mas may experience itong si Michael Donegan.
And for more on Michael Donegan, as promised, punta na natin si Jessica Mendoza.
Although it's no surprise na all praises ang Air 21 para kay Michael Donegan, sabi ng mga teammates niya, ang laki ng improvement niya pagdating sa decision making. Dagdag naman ni Coach Franz Pumaran, dati daw, Donegan would force himself on plays, pinipilit ang mga tira kahit naka-double team, pero now, naiintindihan na daw niya that he can't win games by himself, may tiwala na sa kanyang mga teammates, and that results in wins para sa Air 21 Express, guys.
Thank you, Jessica. Nagsimula to si Donegan, nag-debut siya sa PBA. Very impressive etong Air 21. Pinataob yung Barangay Negro ng kanilang opening assignment. Problema pagkatapos ng tila na-scout siya at puro pamamersa ang gustong gawin niya ni Donegan. Pero ngayon, nag-relax na siya at nakita niya na-realize na niya yung involved mga kakampi niya. 4-game winning streak sila.
Tama yun, nag-relax siya, sabi mo, very impressive. Siyempre, hindi pa siya masyadong nasa-scout. Napag-aralan, and then, siyempre, nasa-stop. Pero that's a mark of a good player. Nakapag-adjust, he learned how to use his teammates, ano? Siguro, pag talagang positive, figure out yung mga shooters, nakilala niya na rin yung mga players who we can go to, who we can pass to. So, ngayon, they're clicking left and right itong Air 21 Express.
At yan, pinakita ni Michael Donegan yung isa sa kanyang mga first impression sa kanya na lahat ng PBA Insider dito. Very emphatic kung mag-shot lock.
Oo. Talagang volley pa yung bola Talagang sinuswat niya. Pero maganda rin yung ganyan dahil you're really sending a message to those offensive players nitong kalaban. Talagang you don't get any easy baskets sa harap mo.
Donegan, turnaround jumper in front of Shundov is short. 14-11 na sa ating talaan. Tatlong abante ng Air 21. Cruz looking to go to their import dun sa ilalim off the high-low.
Natatakaw niya si Bruno Shundo. Makikita niya, nasa harap niya si Noy Paclao. Talagang gusto niyang sagasaan Sarap naman nun.
Parang Escobar lang.
Talagang si Papola, stare down pa yung...
Pero nung araw, ikaw ba yung nabubutata?
Oo.
Naalala ko naman ng
Hindi naman masyado. Ikaw talaga.
Siyempre,
Nakaisa rin ako, paisa-isa.
paano ka mahuli? Ganda-ganda ng pump fake mo.
Ayun, no?
Yeah.
Saka ang dami nun, mga 2, 3, 4.
Tapos reverse pa.
Ayun. Alam mo, yung reverse na tiro na yun, may depensa ka sa ring kaya hindi basta-basta nakahabol Naksa, di ba?
Gagamitin mo yung ring no?
Oo.
Depensa mo sa bola as Coach Franz has readjusted his lineup here. Baclao and Custodio now part of the five kasama itong silang Omolon who just almost lost the ball. Donegan and Cortez. Cortez lines it up. Back irons that three. Omolon gets him another serving. Dumulas nga lang yung kanyang pivot.
Nag-bubble ang paan itong si Bitoy Umolon, pero makikita natin yung trust nitong si Donegan kicking out to his open teammates. Alam niya, he knows Mike Cortez can knock that down. He knows Bitoy and itong sila Baclao can help him sa boards. It's nice para dito sa Air 21 Express.
Pero ako, nagulat ako. Naunang mag-adjust si Coach Franz ng kanyang lineup. Ito, Rainer Shine. Yan pa rin yung starting unit nila until now dahil eto na, papasok na. Etong sniper galing Negros na si Jeff Chan.
Hindi pa natin masyadong nakikita yung talagang old form nitong si Jeff Chan. Pero alam naman natin on a given night, pwedeng pumutok to 15-20 points yan dahil talagang scorer naman ito si Jeff Chan.
Tandaan natin, ito si Jeff Chan coming off an injury. About doon sa shooting hand pa niya, broken thumb on that left hand, yung kanyang naging injury. May nahanap pa rin. Form. Speaking of form, look at Duncan Donegan.
Yan yung dalawang malulupit para sa Air 21 Express and they showed kung bakit, partner. Parang decoy Mike Cortez. Ang ganda ng pasa kay Donegan with the throwdown, man.
Ibanez, quick release dahil nakita niya si Donegan. Shundov is there to clean it up.
That's the advantage of the Shundov. Jumping like about 2 or 3 inches for that pick,
Ang gapiso talong lang ginagamit,
Pwede sumandal sa board to Abot niya yung board without jumping.
We gotta see this again, Jolly. Cortez pick and roll with Donegan. Two-handed throwdown. Duncan Donegan bringing the pain dito sa loob ng MOA Arena as we head into this next timeout.
I'm Dashing Cody Rhodes, bringing you one step closer to dashing.
Nasusubaybayan na ang PBA sa Action TV International sa Middle East via Orbit Showtime Network, sa Europe naman via OSN TV Tomorrow at sa Guam via MCV Broadband. Sabihan na ninyo ang inyong mga kamag-anak na abangan ang ma-action na labanan ng PBA pati na rin ng UFL sa Action TV International. 16-14 is the score. Air 21 still leading by 2 points. Gabe Norwood now coming onto the floor kasama si Belga at kanina si Jeff Chan pumasok na. For more on Jeff, balikan natin si Jessica.
Mag-usabi ni Jeff Chan, naging very inconvenient daw ang na-injure niyang daliri. Habang nagre-rehab siya, napakahirap daw gumawa ng maliliit na bagay tulad ng pagsulat, pagkain at pag-drive. Right now, namamaga pa raw, pero he's done with rehab. The injury is at 85%. Although ang concern niya talaga is his conditioning. Inaasahan niyang he'll be in top form come the playoffs, guys.
Thank you, Jessica. At hindi lang para sa playoffs, ha? Sa national pool si Jeff Chan, kaya kahit ano pang PBA team ang sinusuportahan na ninyo at nating lahat, pati pag-aasal natin yung ating mga national athletes na dating ng August 1, 100% na.
Oo nga, of course. Ako syempre nagpapakondisyon yan itong mga players natin. Not only for the PBA, pero like you said, for flag syempre.
Pero nahihirapang magsulat, mag-drive, okay lang sa'yo, no? Huwag lang yung mahirapang kumain.
Yan!
Problema yun.
Pwede.
Si Shundob na lang ang naiwan sa starting unit ni Coach Yang Giao. Chris Chu now also part of the five. Binabantayan niya si Custodio. Omolon looking to slice through. Sarap, sumobra, over the bakod.
Let go na ata ng ating mga referees. Nope, they're gonna call that dahil violation na yung ganyan. Tumama sa parang iron dun sa taas ng George.
OG Minor papasok na rin para dito kay Omolon. Kasama niya sina Custodio, Donegan, John Wilson at si Noy Baclao.
Expect Bo Belga to get some touches dito to try to get some fouls. Galing dito kay Mike Donegan.
Quick release!
Gotta love that. Galing. Partner, hindi na binabayang bola. Parang papasa pero nakakasana pala yun. Si Bruno Shundob, si Jack Sick, no? Parang ganun yun. Kala mo, hindi pa nakakasa eh. Kala mo papasa. Ang biglang ititira, pasok ano.
Nabalitaan ko lang yung naikwento lang sa akin ng mga lolo kong tropa mo.
Ako rin naman din. Nakita ko yun.
Donegan on the move. Flips it up and out. Baclao with a rebound. Gets them another serving. Hindi tumama sa ring. Napuwersa. Ihagis yun ni Minor yung bola. Chan sa kabilang dulo against Oji. He's in trouble. Kicks it back out. Belga di discarte. Goes to the left side. Big Bo out of Norwood. Here's Chu. Looking for Belga. Slapped away by Donegan. Minor, mag-aantay mo ng respect dito.
Donegan has the number.
Up, Norwood with a hand on it. Pero hindi makuha ng Rainer Shine. Wilson against Chu. One-hander is good.
Shot galing dito kay John Wilson. Nice play itong second unit nitong Air 21 Express. Doing very well.
Both teams streaking coming into this game. Back-to-back wins. Neto Rainer Shine nakataya. 4-game winning streak naman para sa Rainer Shine. Kaya kita mo, Johnny, with less than half a minute remaining in this first quarter, tabla ang ating labanan. Belga for 3. No go. Custodio slaps it over papunta dun kay Minor.
It was actually a good play from Bonbon Custodio, no? Dahil Shundob na ang makaka-rebound nun. Put back lang yun. Pero nice stop. Heads up play galing kay Custodio.
Last shot time para dito sa Air 21. 6 seconds na titira sa quarter number 1. Drop off. Baclao from 18. No. Belga grabs the rebound and that'll do it for quarter number 1. Pagkatapos ng unang 12 minuto ng aksyon, tabla ang ating labanan sa 18. Both teams coming to play on this Easter Sunday. Pitoy Omolon getting the steal and the layup. Pero ito si Bruno Shundob. Wais quick release ang ginagamit dito. Pero syempre, pagka Air 21, imposibleng walang highlight galing dito kay Donegan. Tabla ang ating labanan. The second quarter coming up ng bakbakan sa tag-init sa aming pagbabalik. Sa pagbubukas ng ating second quarter of action, papasalamatan muna natin ang ating radio partners 90.7 Love Radio, 101.1 Yes FM, 96.3 Easy Rock, at ang ating mga kapatid over at DZSR 918 AM Sports Radio, Chicky Reyes, Pari Pascal, Woody Call of the Action, at syempre nandiyan si Miss Riza Diaz doing courtside duties sa 918 AM Sports Radio. Jolly, binanggit ko na kanina, no? Yung disparity sa minuto ng impact na magkabilang koponan. Donegan playing the most minutes amongst all imports dito sa ating Commissioner's Cup. Ito namang si Bruno Shunda playing the least minutes amongst active imports. Pero buong first quarter naglaro pareho, at dito sa pagbubukas sa second, nakaupo naman pareho.
Napakalaki ng disparity actually sa averages ng dalawa to. Si Michael Donegan ang tataas, higher in comparison to the other imports sa kanyang scoring, clip and rebound. Napakataas. He's one of the first. Nasa 1-2 spot lang yan sa dalawang categories na yan. Si Shundog is the least. Pero still, kahit na ganun na kanyang averages ay medyo mababa, at si Shundog, his mere 7'3" presence on the court, napakalaking bagay yan. Dahil mga intangibles yan eh. Yung talagang yung atake ng mga point guards na yung mga 1-2 na atake, magdadalawang isip yan dahil napakalaki ng maharang sa kanila. Very imposing figure itong si Bruno Shundog.
Both coaches opting to go all Filipino to open the second quarter. Mark Isip, Nat Mintis, kasama si Ochi Minor, Nino Canaleta, John Wilson, and Don Custodio. Katapat ngayon sina Bo Belga, Chris Chu, Jab Chan, Gabe Norwood, and J.R. Quinyaha. About the size factor here, Isip at Canaleta ang front court ng F21. Extra Rice Incorporated naman para sa Rainer Shack.
Oo nga, mga legit na mga 5 itong mga nasa Rainer siya in kontra po mga, well, mga mistisong 4 to si Isip as we see. Nakakuha niyang
Number 21, Archie Minor, makes his first one-on-one.
Rainer Shine that time.
Gabe Norwood looking through to the line for 2 shots. 70% shooter yan from that 15-foot line. Norwood doing a little bit of everything para sa Rainer Shine. 8 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists, and a steal per ball game ang kanyang averages dito. Binagit.
Yeah, 2-point field goals partner Gabe Norwood, ang taas niyan. So talagang expect him to shoot a bunch, no, dahil he's feeling it, he's confident with his field goals. Nakita natin, umatake siya sa basket, getting a foul, pero kanyang free throws wala. Nice offensive board though, galing dito kay Chris Chu. What's nice about
Pero
this,
John Wilson with a steal and a walk in the park layup.
yun naman ang masakit, yun naman parang dumbfounded itong sila. Looking at sila J.R. Quinyaha, they don't know what happened.
Kaya naman dagger looks ang binibigay ni Coach Yang mula doon sa kanilang bench. Pagka ganun, biglang walang tumitingin sa bench, no? Matititigan ka na masama, eh. Inyahan, tutok ang Mintis. Minor with the rebound. OG pushes the action. Gustong katawanin na itong si Norwood. He goes glass for the 2 points.
Galing. Just for separation, labas ng braso ng konti, getting Gabe Norwood out of the way, finishing for 2 points. Itong si Ogie Minor.
Chu. Mintis sa 3, Kinyahan. Was held down on the rebound. Canaleta, napituan ng foul dyan.
Well, one thing's for sure, itong si Isip tsaka si Canaleta, they have their hands full pagdating sa box out and tsaka sa reboundan. Dahil ang lalaki, even Gabe Norwood gets a bunch of rebounds. I think he's about 4 point something kanyang average sa rebounds, no? Pero Bo Belga at saka to si Kinyahan, alam naman natin matatakaw din sa rebound yan, especially Bo.
Bakit matatakaw ang ginamit mong adjective?
And tatakaw nila.
No, talaga?
Literally and figuratively.
Michael Donegan bumalik na sa seg para dito sa Air 21 as they lead by 2. Pull-up jumper, Isip, no. Ochi foul from out of nowhere, keeping this possession alive para sa Air 21.
Straight heads up kay galing dito kay Menor.
Donegan against Belga, held back. Foul on Big Bull.
That's the second game foul on the Alaska Raiders.
Riqualo with a pull-up, catch and shoot. Deadly as ever, the Renman delivers. 24-20, apat ang abante ng Air 21. OG Minor nahuling nakahawak dito sa shorts ni Chris Chu. Ito niyang patanggapin ang pasa.
Ganda makita partner bago habang pinatatagal nito si Coach Yang gatong si Shundog sa bench. Well, Donegan's in the game already, no?
Kinyahan, nice pick. Pick out, Bo for three. From the corner, no. Rebound, Chu. Pangalawang offensive rebound na yan para dito kay Chris. Big pick from Kinyahan. Kicks it back out. JR for three. In and out and back in.
That's what makes Extra Rice Incorporated deadly. Yung dalawa. They shoot the threes, partner. Itong si Jay Kenyan and Bo Belga. Although Bo Belga hasn't gotten a three-pointer yet, ano?
Donigan, nahirapang itulak. Ito si Belga. Pumade away jump hook. Mintis tuloy. Belga, nakita si Kinyahan. Naunahan nga lang ni Minor doon sa bola. Nananatili naman ang possession sa Rain or Shine.
Halatang may high-low play din itong two big men of the Rain or Shine team. Pwede rin baligtarin yan. Bo Belga sa ilalim ng Kinyahan. Wow! Sa taas as we see Chris Chu.
Catch and shoot from that baseline inbound. He's got 4 points. At ganun lang, lamang na ang Rain or Shine. 25-24. First stays in the lead since quarter number 1. Donigan takes the pass, kicks it out cross court, Minor for 3. Bang!
Got the confidence of LB Minor coming into this game for a few hustle plays. At ngayon, nagpakita na naman siya steady three-pointer niya.
Kinyahan, iniisip kung babawi, iikot naman nila kay Norwood. Chan against Ritualo. Kinyahan from the outside. Not that time around. Cortez surveys the floor, gets it to a streaking Minor. Full speed ahead, inabangan ni Kinyahan. That's an offensive foul.
That's good, actually a good call. Nakatayo na lang talaga itong si JR Kinyahan at sinagasahan itong si Minor. Ano? Kaya matatawagan talaga siya ng offensive foul. Para sa
Ang tagal ni Kinyahan waiting eh.
Yeah, really established position there si JR Kinyahan.
As Bitoyo Molon is checking back into this game, papalitan muna si Minor. Chan na nagtawid ng bola. Kinyahan, back to Chan. They go to the corner, Chu for 3. No! Alam mo sa ganda ng nilalaro ng Rain or Shine? They are up there amongst the leaders in second place right now in terms of the team standings. Hindi ba nagkiklik yung isang main weapon nila, which is the 3-point shot? Under 28% shooting sila as a team, Jolly.
Kasi they play talaga collectively. Maguyan ang malupit dito sa team na to eh. Pag yung medyo mababa yung laro ng isang player, somebody steps up kaagad. Kaya you have to hand it to Paul Lee. Ang gaganda ng mga numbers niya. Pero ang tatalino ng mga guard ng mga kasama niya na nandyan, partner Chris Chu is there, Gabe Norwood also. So see a nice strong move galing dito kay Mike Donigan.
Pero tuloy lang natin yung kwentuhan tungkol dito sa Rain or Shine. Bukod sa kanilang import, Jolly, na si Bruno Shundo, wala nang nag-a-average ng double figure scoring para dito sa Ross. Pero 15 iba't ibang tao na nag-start para kay Coach Yeng Giao. At 11 sa kanilang mga player ay nakapag double figure scoring na at one time or another dito sa Commissioner's Cup.
Pero I'm looking at the averages, mabuti naman. 9, 8, 7. Ang ganda eh. It's all spread out and then a bunch of players nagko-contribute at saka they get a lot of rebounds. It's a nice rebounding team. Itong Rain or Shine. Norwood gets boards. Bo Belga gets boards. Andiyan sa loob ng laro natin si Larry Rodriguez. Ang ganda din na pinapakita para sa kanya po ng Rain or Shine. Not to mention kung sila Chris Chu and Jeff Chan. Also, everybody contributing. Kaya natin sila at number 2.
Kita mo naman, bagong pasok lang si Larry Rodriguez nag-contribute na agad to cut this deficit to 2. R21 na doing enough to keep Rain or Shine at bay. Ang klase talaga linalaro na itong Express. Umalon flashes, di siya nakita. Donigan with the leather, looking for Cortez. Donigan picks up his dribble. 8 to shoot para dito sa R21. Cortez realizes it. The cool cat gets it to Donigan. It's fouled by Rodriguez on the way to the hole.
Talagang gigilding yung mga atake sa basket ng si Donigan. I thought that was going to be another dunk, ano? Pero wala na magawa yung defensive player. But to foul, it's nice. Little roll to the basket. Mike knows that. Wala na magawa. Contact. Pero he has 2 free throws coming up from Michael Donigan.
How about this import, Michael Donigan? How impressed are you? Merong bali-balita na kinoconsider siya na maging next generation naturalized Filipino pagka natapos na sa serbisyo si Kuya Marcos David.
Yun yung sinabi ko rin kasi top of the coverage ko po yung sinasabi rin ni Coach Franz na he has a very good demeanor, tsaka very coachable. Napakalaking bagay niyan. Kasi nakikinig ka, you're always willing to learn new tricks, mga ganon. So, mukha lang siyang talagang frog eh. Pero it can be deceiving. He's a nice guy, on and off the court, tapos talagang yung leadership niya, napakalaking bagay for Air 21, kaya talagang highly recommended itong ni Coach Franz Pumaran.
Speaking of nice guys, Ryan Aranya, pumasok na sa ating laro for the
Sa
first time.
mabait,
Mabait ba yan?
Napakabait na bata.
Pinatake kagad niya doon si Cortez. Natapak lang siya sa baseline. Yun, sa sobrang bait, nagre-reklamo agad.
Alam mo sino naalala ko dyan? Coach Glenn Capasio na, Coach!
Coach Glenn ba?
Oo, partner. Ganyan na ganyan ang style niya. No easy basket yan. Karate chop ko dyan pagka.
Ayan.
Well, that's the game, partner. Di ba? Talagang if you're going to use your foul, use it wisely. Pag-atake.
Kaya nga kailangan big man ball game talaga itong BBA. Maraming marunong mag-basketball pero iba ang umabot niya sa level na to. Mama ka na dapat.
Lakas ng katawan. Natin nagpakita ng 3-pointer. Partner to si Bruno Shindog.
Showing us that range, cutting this deficit to only 3 points, 33-30. Cortez gusto bumawi dito sa kabilang dulo. The long lives of Norwood ang babantay sa kanya. Donegan ngayon, na-atake. Handoff, pabalik kay Cortez. Shundov yung katapat. Norwood po, patay. Abot ni Mike. 2 to shoot. Cortez has to go. Cortez nilipat pa ng kamay. Donegan ayaw. Na kanina na. Take Baclao to get to Ritwalo, the specialist. Donegan. Doon sa gitna ng apat na taga-Rainer Shine, Donegan somehow got his hand on the ball. Inabot tuloy siya ng foul.
Wala nang magagawa si Ryan Aranya. Mas way in the back. Kaya sinusubukan niyang abutin. Ulo na lang ang tinamaan ni Michael Donegan.
United Football League ngayong Martes po. Unang laro, Pasargad kontra Philippine Army at Loyola Meralco. Laban naman sa Global sa ikalawang handog. Simula alas 5 po ng hapon ang ating live and exclusive coverage. April 2 na po yan sa Emperador Stadium, McKinley Hill, Taguig. Live and exclusive nga pong mapapanood. Siyempre, dito lang sa Active. San Mig Coffee kontra Barako Bull. Mamaya-maya na po yan. Natapos ng larong ito, Nico Halili, Erica Padilla, and Eric Reyes will be bringing you the action for that one.
Taking in the action, Charles Chulang din.
Tanigay continues to struggle from the line.
Well, one thing's for sure, maaga pumapasok parang school, ano? Sa practice yan ang ginagawa niya. Spends about 15-20 minutes doing free throws. After the practice, yan na naman ang kailangan gawin niya.
Hindi ka nasobran? 2-7 ngayon eh. Sa hapon na ito. Naubos. 33-30 ang nasa ating talaan. Air 21 still up by 3 pero nasa Rainer Shine ang bola. Sean, bullet pass underneath to Aranya. Yun ang pamigtos na gamit niya.
Ganda ng galing ng kamay. Itong si Ryan Aranya. One motion sa low, puts it up kagad with the left hand.
Sa isang abante ng Express, wala na pong 5 minuto. Bago tayo bumalik sa studio, Coach Ronnie Magsanok, ating uling makakasama mamaya-maya lamang as Ritwalo gets it over to Donegan. Cortez looking for Donegan once again. That two-man game definitely paying dividends para dito sa Air 21.
Alam mo, every time Mike Cortez goes to the hole, tingnan mo yung mga mata niya. He's always looking for Mike Donegan as we look. This is the nice hands of Ryan Aranya.
Pero binanggit mo kanina, Aranya, isa sa mga taong hindi nagtitipid ng foul. Sasandali pala naglalaro. Tatlong personal na as we send it over to Jessica.
Magugusto ni Coach Franz Pumaran na ituloy ng Rain or Shine ang pag-pressure, ituloy ng Air 21 rather, ang pag-pressure nila sa Rain or Shine. He also wants them to think fast. Pansinin daw nila kung ano ang hindi pinapayagan ng ating mga officials at mag-adjust sa mga tawag. At sa akin kanina na very much willing na maging more responsible ang mga players niya at mag-sacrifice ng personal glory para sa team. Kaya pag tinuloy lang nila ang kanilang mindset na yon, kaya lang nilang i-retain ang kanilang winning streak, guys.
Tignan mo naman, lamang na ng 4 dito ang Air 21. Via that emphatic slam once again. Pangatlo na yan para kay Duncan Duncan.
Malambot yung finish ni Bitoy Omolon eh. Nag-miss eh. Uy!
At hindi naman yung lambot ng kamay. Swabing-swabe para dito kay Bruno.
What a weapon, ano? At 7-3 to finish 3-pointers like that. Wow. Laking bagay.
36-35. Air 21 still up by 1. Cortez gustong ipagpag. Etong si Tang. Looking for Baclao. TY playing the lanes. Cortez still with it. Nakanino na ang bola. Nakuha ni Jeff Chan. Jeff goes all the way to the hole. Gets the basket. May kasama pang foul.
Good things happen when you go hard to the basket, partner. Evident after that play, ano? Pero ang dami nila, they had numbers coming down. Makikita natin a streaking Jeff Chan after this steal, ano? Going hard to the basket. Finish.
Di nga lang makompleto yung bonus free throw. Pero lamang na Rainer Shine, 37-36. What will Air 21 do? They go over to Omolon on the left side. Cortez sa poste, atakin si Tan. Two different generations of De La Salle Green Archers. Wala nga lang napuntahan yung tira doon. Ito ni Gulka, Aranya, to Shundov, another three.
He's feeling it!
One more time para dito kay Bruno. He's got 3 of those long bombs. 40, 36, 16 points para kay Bruno Shundov. Biggest lead of the game para dito sa Rain or Shine. 30-second timeout tuloy ni request ni Coach Franz Pumaran. Kita mo naman, ano?
What?
7'3" Jolly. Tumitira ng ganyan.
Alam mo kung bakit pwede na rin gawin yan? Kasi yun na nga, we're going back to yung mga rebounders. Mahihilig mag-rebound mga teammates niya. Gabe Norwood and the big guys sa Extra Rise Incorporated. Kaya naman may kumpiyansa siya to shoot those 3-pointers.
40-36, Rain or Shine. Gaining momentum here. Shundov 3 of 4 from deep so far in this first half as we send it over to Jessica.
Kwento ng teammates niya, si Bruno Shundov daw, mukhang seryoso at hindi siya very chatty. But pagdating sa practice po, kaya rin naman daw niyang maging makulit. He's also very much a family man. He brings his kids to practice, his wife, and most important of all, sabi ni Gabe Norwood, he's the kind of guy na even if he's the oldest player on the team, he willingly takes direction. And that makes him a valuable asset para sa kanila, guys.
Yun ang malaking bagay ito, Jolly.
Family man, so talagang very serious when it comes to practice and the games and the rights.
Kung binabanggit mo yung Donegan, very coachable. Ganun din naman pala yung Shundov.
Same.
Kahit na nga siya yung pinakamatanda sa team, okay lang kahit yung mga bata nagkukumpa sa kanya.
Okay, dito mo naman sa mga laro nila. They have nice flourishing PBA careers dito. 3 3-pointers from Bruno Shundov, no?
Tag to the corner. They go to Shundov underneath. Shundov, Mintis, kanya rin yung rebound. Bruno goes past, bringing his full arsenal inside the MOA Arena.
Siguro sabi niya, sige, purihin niyo lang ako ng purihin. Ito, 18 puntos na ang Bruno Shundov. Meron pang mga rebound partner. Yes, almost double figures na siya sa rebound. Dito pa lang siya.
Retualo goes over to Donegan. Shundov giving him the space. They go to Arboleda dito sa kanto. Paring Winnie. No. Omolon looking to keep it alive. Napituan nga lang siya ng foul dahil hinablot niya itong si Aranya.
I think it was Ronnie Matias. Maganda pagka-box out nito si bagong pasok lamang. Itong si Ronnie Matias, wala na magawa si Bitoy Omolon kundi hawakan na lang si Matias, matatawagin siya ng foul.
Sa ating ang Coca-Cola Open Happiness Opener.
Mapapanood na din ang PBA sa pinakabagong channel sa Pay TV. Yan po ang Hyper. Please check with your local cable operators for availability. 42-36, just like that. Etong Rain or Shine, tinapatan yung biggest lead na naitatag. Netong Air 21, kanina lamang. 2:21 natitira sa ating first half. Mag-umargyan po kasama natin si Jolly Escobar with Jessica Mendoza patrolling the sidelines. Coaching staff ng Alaska. Very much interested in this game.
Coach Toppets Robinson, partner. And if I'm not mistaken, si Coach John Wichico katabi niya, no? Bruno Shundov is feeling this game, Magun. Playing very well. Ganda ng kanyang feel. Hindi pa yata nag-miss sa 3-point area.
3 of 4.
Sorry, 3 of 4. 1 miss pa lamang siya.
21 points per ball game ang average niya ni Shundov. He's already got 18. First half pa lamang to. Canaleta atake para dito sa Air 21. They go to Donegan. Kick out pass, no look. Pagbalik niya, ninakaw ni Shundog. D.Y. Tang looks up court. Matyas sa kanyang kanan. Sa kaliwa si Aranya.
Ang hirap mga entry pass dito pag nakabantay din si Shundog sa laki niya.
Aranya misses on the three. Isip outboxes Rodriguez para sa rebound. Less than 2 minutes. Natitira sa ating first half.
Blindside to see D.Y. Tang. Sana po he didn't get it.
Danigan to Arboleda. Attacking on the run. Pasa ba yun?
Very aggressive tong si Michael Donigan. Hindi na box out ng mabuti nitong si Bruno Shundog, ano? So gets that sneaky offensive board put back.
DY with a pull up. Shundog wala pa rin on the follow. Rodriguez loses it. Pero meron kasing foul.
Medyo tawag niya na fishing expedition nangyari dito kay Larry Rodriguez at nakakuha niya naman ng foul galing dito kay paring Miguel Arboleda. Line for free throws.
Larry Rodriguez, di ko muna babanggitin ha. Mamaya may babanggitin tayo. Patuloy.
Pwede na.
Yun muna sasabihin natin.
How you doing?
Patuloy.
Sorry, nakita ko lang si idol ko Denzel Bowles dito.
Rodriguez. Pwede na banggitin.
Okay.
Larry Rodriguez dito sa Commissioner's Cup, 18 of 18 from the free throw line.
100% para sa numero 1 sa shot free throw.
Hindi muna namin binabanggit si Charles kasi si inyo si Charlie.
Kasi sinintay ni Larry, no? Yan.
Mamaya kay Ritualo, may hindi rin tayo babanggitin.
Yan.
Ito naman yung kay Ritualo. Rodriguez once again on the move is fouled. Naku, yan na. Babalik sa free throw line. Kau na, Jan.
Hey, he knows his... Ito, build up natin. Tapos, ikaw ba? Safe ka. Okay, titignan natin. Wala muna tayong sasabihin. Couple of free throws coming up for Larry Rodriguez. Walang problema.
Matutuwa sa'yo si Coach Yeng yan. Hindi ka masisigawan. Yan, si Denzel Bowles. I-interviewin ni Risa Diaz at the half yan sa PBA Radio. 918 AM kung gusto ko marinig. Oh! Lakas ka kay Coach Yeng. Coach Yeng, si Jolly yun ha.
Ang maganda dyan, the pressure is off. Mas relax na yan sa langit.
Ritualo with the leather. Gets it over to Easy. 45-38 Air 21. Bigla na lang nahirapan. Makahanap ng puntos dito. Arboleda wanting to change that. 6 to shoot. Paring Winnie against D.Y. Tang. Bicycle shot wala. Danigan loses that rebound. Tumay pa ang batas ni Matias. And he gets that 30-second timeout.
Pero gotta love itong atake ng boards dito si Mike Donigan. He again had a hand in that offensive board. Hindi niya lang nahawakan ng mabuti pero palagi siyang nandun. Basta may miss from ka-offensive or kahit sa defensive side, talagang andyan siya for the rebound.
Pwede na mag-last shot dito ang Rainer Shine with only 19 seconds exactly remaining sa ating first half, Jolly.
Totoo yun, partner. Yan ang mangyayari. At kaya tayo tumawag ng timeout dito, 19 seconds remaining. At wanting to make sure dun sa kanilang last basket.
Na-warningan pa itong si Coach Franz Pumaren for complaining to a non-call. As he sends in his defensive unit, Noy Baclao, hindi pa pwede mag-sub kung hindi magsasub ang Rainer Shine dahil 30-second timeout lang yun. Uy, birthday pala ni Noli Cortez. Happy birthday, sir.
Partner, happy birthday.
He's on Commissioner's Row with our good commissioner, Attorney Chito Salud. Boss Willie Marshall, nandun din. Rainer Shine looking for the last possible attempt of this first half. Aranya on the move. Isip switches out on him. Sundog drops it off. Rodriguez, please. 2 seconds to go. Isip, pinasa pa. That'll do it.
First half. Larry Rodriguez. He usually makes those. The nice pass galing kay Sundog pero hindi sila nakapag-turn.
Pero what a battle it has been. The clash of the Behemoths. The clash of the Titans here inside the MOA Arena. Duncan Dunigan 17-9 pero Bruno Shundog 18-8 naman para sa kanya. These are 3 of those from deep. 45-38 tuloy nasa ating kalaan. Bruno Shundog helping his team into the 7-point lead at the half. Standby lang kayo. Babalik tayo sa studio with Aaron Atayda and Coach Ronnie Magsano sa aming pagbabalik. po ang abante ng Rain or Shine 45-38 sa unang handol ng Easter Sunday Basketball dito sa Commissioner's Cup. Mag-umarjan po, kasama para natin si Jolly Escobar. Nice first half, both ways, both teams nakakuha naman ng control.
Totoo yun, Magu, pero talagang starting strong itong Air 21 nakita natin, pero nag-regroup itong Rain or Shine. Nakakita tayo ng a bunch of 3-pointers from Bruno Shundov. We'll talk about that in the line.
Ayan, silipin na nga natin. Unahin natin from quarter number 1, Air 21 coming out of the gates na ibang klase ang pinakita. Unang naka-score ang Rain or Shine 2-0, pero 6 na sunod-sunod na puntos ang isinukli ng Air 21. Dak-dak mula dyan kay Dunigan, and around the halfway mark ng ating quarter number 1, Bitoy Omolon gets a steal in the layup. Tapos syempre Duncan Dunigan nga ang tawag natin dito kay Team Dundan. Cortez, Dunigan, back to Cortez, and will once again locate Dunigan. The two-man game dividends para sa Air 21. Tabla ang ating labanan at 18 all at the end of 1.
Tama ka, Magu, I was mentioning to you earlier, tingnan mo yung mata ni itong si Mike Cortez pag umatake na, he's always looking to pass. Pag andyan, nakikita natin on the top of your screens, andyan yung mga locals muna si Polly, 7 points. Si Omolon, ganun din, ano, para sa Air 21 Express. Balance tayo sa first quarter, 7 of 17 field goals, 8 of 20 naman itong Air 21 Express points in the paint. Halos magkadikit lang din, kaya 18 all tayo dyan sa first quarter.
Pagdating ng second quarter of action, aba, mainit na naman ang simula ng Air 21. Lumamang sila ng hanggang 6 na puntos, pero bigla-bigla na lang naburayan nito ni Bruno Shundov almost single-handedly. Hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa. Bruno Shundov really bringing the entire arsenal inside the MOA Arena. Nakatatlong 3-pointer pa yan. This one on the run. Secondary break para sa kanya, punches it through. Kaya naman ito ang abante dyan ng Rain or Shine.
That's what scored the difference, partner. Suddenly, tatlong 3-pointers from Shundov. Felt very comfortable. Ito, makikita natin ang kanilang mga field goals. 50% ang Rain or Shine as against 38% lamang itong Air 21 Express na starting very strong ng first quarter. 4 of 9 on 3-point field goal shooting. 1 of 3 lamang itong Air 21. So, mas may volume sa 3-pointers itong Rain or Shine, making them kaya ang ganda ng kanilang 3-point field goal percentage.
Sa puntong ito, makibalita muna tayo kay Jessica.
Unang-una, dalawang bagay ang pinag-usapan ni Coach Yang Giao sa halftime. Sabi niya, they're giving up, no, they're not making their free throws. Sabi niya, that's something they can do something about, and he wants to be able to remedy that. Number 2, they have too many turnovers. So, alagaan pa nila ng mas mahusay ang bola without fouling so much. As for Air 21, very simple ang gusto ni Coach Franz. Sabi niya, they are falling behind because they are getting overworked. Sabi ko, Coach, anong kailangan gawin? Sabi niya, baka daw ilabas na ng kanyang latigo para ganahan ang mga players ng Air 21, guys.
Latigo, mahilig si Escobar dyan, ah.
Following up on what Jessica said about the free throws of Air 21. The thing about that, playing Rain or Shine, also not shooting very well galing pareho silang nasa 30%. Sorry,
5 of 12 ang Rain or Shine in the first half. Kaswerte na lang nila ang Air 21. Di rin maganda.
Ganun lang.
2 of 8 lang.
Can you imagine if one of these teams start shooting well from the free throw area, magkakaroon ng matinding disparity yan.
45-40 nasa ating talaan. Etong si Dunigan has brought his team to within 5 points.
Very aggressive player. The thing about si Dunigan as you mentioned, very, very aggressive player. Very nice to watch.
Lee using that leather. Cortez, who only came up with 2 points in the first half, looking to pass it off. Inabot siya ng foul. How about Mike Cortez, Jolly? 2 points, 3 rebounds, 5 assists, and 2 steals. Gawin mo ng 3 steal after nun. Problema, 1 of 5 shooting pa lang siya. 5 balls pa lang tumitira.
Sure, yun na nga partner. Hindi na bali yung he's not scoring heavy, pero yun na nga yung mention mo. He has a number of steals. Rebound siya siya. I think he has 5 or 6 boards. Ang laking bagay para sa kanyang kapanan. And he really looks to pass. Nagpa-facilitate talaga siya para sa kanyang kapanan. Ayaw nilang mangyari. Itong Air 21 Express, yung nangyaring parang walang dribble na basic pass break. Itong Rain or Shine.
Yung binabanggit ni Jessica, nagagalit si Coach Franz because they have been outworked, or they were getting outworked, especially in the second quarter. Kaya ngayon gusto nilang bumawi ng aggressiveness dito. As Dunigan gets that basket and goes to the line for goals.
Litawan Sico, ganda ng ginawa pagka-spin. Litaw Sico, like the defend partner, finishing with the left hand to si Michael Dunigan.
Running on number 13,
Danigan now with 21 big points para dito.
Oldest free throw for Michael
Sa Air
Donovan.
21, his PBA career high was 40. Atin, 10:34 pa natitira sa ating third quarter. Kaya abutan yan. Ang problema niya, 4 of 11 na siya from the free throw line after that make. Pero good sign, nakapasok siya ng una niyang tikada dito sa third quarter.
Can you imagine if he improves pa to at least about mga 60s or 60% or more sa game na to. I think shooting ba a little over 60%.
Kinyahan kasama si Shunda, Lee, andiyan dyan din si Ibanez and Norwood kapag sina Canaleta, Tumulong, Cortez, Donegan and Arboleda.
Yes, 4 fouls. Pero he's also magandang average niya sa steals. Kaya talagang expecting na sumumbot din si Willie.
Yan ang nabansagang snatcher ng PBA, no? Si paring Winnie Arboleda. At hindi po totoo na siya yung nasa radyo ngayon na si Chicky Reyes. Magkaibang tao po yan.
Awig ah.
47-43, rain or shine, abante pa rin ang apat. Air 21 is on the attack. Canaleta. It's been a quiet afternoon for him so far. 1 point pa lamang across his name. Omolon underneath. Everything but the shot judge.
They're going to have to finish shots like that. He was set up very well.
Oh, look at Jaime take it to Canaleta. Pero Nino doing enough to bother that layup. Gusto bumawi sa kabilang dulo. Nino goes glass. Sobra nga lang.
Again, expecting some points itong si Coach Franz Pumarin from KG Canaleta. Hindi siya nakaka-finish.
Face up. Shundov mintis kontra kay Donegan. Tumatakbo ang Air 21. Arboleda looking for Donegan at the post. Offensive foul whistled on Team Dundon.
But talagang just low post hard itong si Mike Donegan at sinabi ng ating mga referees medyo winasiwas ni Donegan. Ito, we'll take a look. Okay.
There was that movement pero para kay Donegan medyo manipis daw yung foul niya. Ito naman yung
Correct, yeah.
awit talaga. No?
But the thing is, kailangan talaga mapunta mo sa likod yung defensive na tao pagka-seal at pagka-post na ganyan.
Lee, very solid first quarter for himself. Nakaupo na siya halos buong seconds. Lee pa rin. Ayaw talaga. Pero rain or shine with a third crack at the basket here. Kinyahan kontra Canaleta. Tutulong si Cortez. Kinyahan, turnaround jumper, bitin.
Defended very well by KG Canaleta. Ang hirap din kasi may isang tao pa nandun si Mike Cortez. So parang like a half double team. Hindi maka-operate ng CCR.
Ibanez picks up the personal trying to break that play up. Sideline inbound para sa Air 21.
Pero titingnan mo yung both teams na talagang urgency to try to get the win is there. Dikit na dikit ang ating laro. No?
Canaleta overshoots the mark. Nino continues to struggle from the field. Ibanez mula sa kanto, hinahanap ang kanyang import na si Shundov. Nice fake.
Great move. Great big man move, partner. One pump fake, puts it up. Ganda ng pag-soft touch niya dun sa ilalim si Bruno Shundov.
Impress na impress ka sa pump fake, Jolly, ha?
He knows what to do underneath the basket. Talagang naglulum sa kanya si Donegan.
Kung may chart nose free throws, meron din namang Jolly nose fakes. Jolly nose pump fake. Nagawa nga tayong t-shirt.
Isang katutak na pump fake. Parang nag-addition. Pero it works, partner. So nakita natin. Evident dun sa play nitong si Shundov. Got Donegan in there. Finishes for 2 points.
Canaleta scoring only second point of the game. Pinagkita natin, leading local scorer to ng
Yes.
Air 21. 3-point attempt yung kanyang sinubok doon.
Well, Coach, tama yung sinasabi natin kanina. Coach Franz Pumaran expects him to score. Itong si KG Canaleta, if I'm not mistaken, is about 9 or 10 points per outing average.
Na-technical pa itong si JR Kinyahan. Kaya may isa pang free throw bonus pa. Bukod doon sa tatlo, dalawa pa lang yung nakukuha. Ito yung technical muna.
JR Kinyahan getting to referee the stare down. Kasi ang continuous complaining, tinawagan siya ng technical, lalong nainis tong si Kinyahan.
Ginawa mo namang ulam yung referee.
tingin dyan, lechon manok. Kanin na lang ang kulang. Dalawang rice, no? Tatlo.
Pero si Canaleta, malaking bagay yung 4 na sunod-sunod na free throw na yun. He might just get himself going here as Kinyahan overshoots. Nasa Raider Shine pa ang bola. Isa ganun lang, kailangan lang makita mo pumapasok yung bola, no? Eto, nakakuha pa ng steal. Canaleta saves it. Diving into that first row.
It's very possible I'll be able to cage Canaleta.
Donegan against Shundov. Gets it out. Cortez for 3.
Mike Cortez, partner.
At ganun-ganun lang, lamang na ang Air 21. 50-49. How will Rainer Shine respond?
The urgency to get that 5th win para dito sa Air 21 is
Oh, nice pass. Lead. Papunta kay Kinyahan.
ganda ng kanilang high-low. Si Bruno Shundov is just waiting sa 3-point area because he's been making 3-pointers. Meanwhile, operating very well naman sa ilalim. Itong si J.R. Kinyahan.
Best to Donegan. Lalabas si Canaleta. Ay! Hindi nga lang nasa loob. Donegan back to Canaleta. Here's a 3. Miss pa rin para kay Nino. Running start para dito sa angas ng kondo. Tatlo kalaban. Tinakawan ni Cortez. Pumulong to Cortez. Donegan running with him. Cortez hesitation move will reset this attack.
Smart play galing dito kay Mike Cortez waiting for his teammates.
Donegan goes glass. Balik sa Air 21 ang abante. Just over 6.5 remaining in quarter number 3.
Well, one thing's for sure, partner, ang scouting report nito si Donegan talagang hindi ka mag-close out ng grabe. Medyo patitirahin mo rin. Pero naka-challenge ka rin. That pass did not work. He made the play.
Beautiful pass coming from Shundov to a streak kay Jaire Ibanez. Siya sa ating free throw line, free bonus shot.
Jaire is one of those guys na initially sa kanyang career puro pan-depensa lang. Pero he has evolved into yung kanyang offense ang maganda lang si Jaire Ibanez. Diyan, ang gandang cut. Meron na rin siyang 3-pointer at jump shot na.
Ibanez, the only remaining original. Ay! Ay Cortez, last touch. Kaya nga kaya natahimik din ako Hindi na kaya mabubulta. Pero ito si Jaire nga, nag-iisa na lang na natitira mula nung pumanek ang well-coached Rainer Shine well-best franchise sa PBA. Siya na lang yung kasama nila dyan.
Type of players na gusto rin fighter, no? Talaga napakasipag, yes. Talagang ayos na player itong si Jaire Ibanez.
Yun lang ang problema para naman dito sa Air 21, Jazzy. Canaleta, just when we thought he might get a shooting going, pang-4 na personal foul ang nabulot niya.
Coach Franz is one of his finishers itong si KG Canaleta, kaya walang choice kung di upo muna ni Coach Franz itong si KG Canaleta. I'm sure babalik yan mga folks.
Norwood with a pull-up, gets his own miss. Norwood looking for Ibanez. Pinulot ni Kinyahan. Pero pwedeng i-reset dahil tumama naman sa ring ang bola.
Tama ka doon. Release pass muna dito kay Corley. Set up muna sa fresh 24-second shot.
Lee pull-up jumper. Easy para sa rebound. Isip drops it off. Donegan loses that leather. Trying to pick it right back up and he is fouled. As he crashes to the baseline.
Yun, naganda na rin ng sundo nitong si Jaire Ibanez. Hindi lang napulot Kinyahan yung bola.
As we head into this next timeout, 5:33 natitira sa third quarter. Back inside the Mall of Asia Arena sa pagpapatuloy ng aksyon on this glorious Easter Sunday. 53-52, Rainer Shine, Air 21 as good as advertised, Jolly. Ganda ng bakbakan dito.
That's correct, partner. They're riding on a high yung kanilang 4-win streak. Minention natin top of the coverage Giant Slayers, partner. Tinalo nila Alaska number 1 Sandvik Mixers. Tinalo din nila. Twice nila tinalo ang Global Port. So still riding on that high, that confidence from this 4-win streak. They're hoping, of course, na hindi pa matapos yan. Ano?
At si Michael Donegan, dito sa second half, gumaganda ang free throw shooting niya.
Parang diesel.
Gusto niya talaga makuha yung ikalimang dikit na panalo nila.
Pero Alam niya kasi partner ang urgency to make those free throws. And he will foul.
Oh! Bitoy Omolon at the last possible second. Patay, naabot ni Paulie doon.
Mike Donegan partner operates mainly sa ilalim. Bihira natin makikita mga jumpers dyan. Ano? Paisa-isa lang, paisa-dalawa. Kanina he made one, pero mostly sa ilalim yan mag-operate.
Go to the left side. Arboleda, main base. Rebound, Paul Lee. Foul inabot mula sa likod kay Omolon.
They're 21 playing very well, partner. They are up by one. Kanina, we were in second quarter.
On the express.
Hanging around, pero ganda na supalpal ni Bitoy Omolon dito sa mga attacking Paul Lee. No?
54-53. Air 21 up by 1 pero nasa Rainer Shine ang bola. Forward with 4 3-pointers last time around against Dog and Tex. Hindi pa pumupukol dito. Norwood, hand off to Jaire. Emergency shot, mid base. Rebound, Donegan gets it to Arboleda. Forward pass, Cortez. Cortez kontra dito kay Norwood, picks up his dribble. They get it over to Donegan. Biglang Bebuelo. Donegan goes reverse. Fouled by Bruno Shundog.
See again, going back to what I was saying, sa ilalim, pilitin niya talaga sa ilalim itong siya. Donegan. Pero ang ganda nangyari kasi going straight to the basket, trying to finish with the left hand. Pero since ang lakas nga ng atake niya, nakakuha siya ng foul free for Donegan.
Tandaan po natin, nakakaya dito para sa M21 ang kanilang 4-game winning streak at syempre gusto nilang umabante ng mas mataas pa pagdating ng team standings. Traffic dyan sa gitna, puro 5-5 ang record ng mga kabanan. Ito namang Rainer Shine wanting to tie Alaska. Wanting to tie Alaska at the top of the team standings. Bakit po importante yung ibabaw? Top 2 will be twice to beat pagdating ng playoffs.
Tama yun, partner. Ito, syempre, pagka nakakuha ng panalo, like what you were saying, itong third quarter, they're going to 6-5.
Oh, sunod-sunod na foul dito kay Bruno Shundog. He is visibly upset here. Inihagis pa yung bola papunta doon sa kanilang bench.
Technical foul number 14.
At tinuluyan na siyang mataga dito ng ating officials. Technical foul on Bruno Shundog.
Well, again, going back to the demeanor of itong si Mike Donegan, hindi siya temperamental player. Hindi siya napipikon. So, andyan lang siya, stay in front of his yung offensive player. Andyan lang siya as defense. In turn, ganda nangyayari para sa kanya ito si Michael Donegan.
Mike Cortez makes him pay with a technical free throw make, that is. Kaya naman, apat na abante ng M21. Shundog po muna, Belga, nasa sahig para kay na Coach Yenkia. Donegan loses it to Jervy, pero pati braso daw kasama.
Jervy Cruz and the whole Belga will have to work extra hard to try to contain itong si Michael Donegan. Yun na nga yung the absence of ito, getting ready to double team, pero yun sabit ito si Jervy Cruz.
Sabit naman doon sa forearm, left forearm neto ni Donegan. Hindi niya inabot yung bola hanggang hindi siya nag-forward dribble.
Pero parang yung inaapila nitong si Jervy Cruz is medyo manipis, pero well, a foul is a foul. Tama ka, sa braso tumama yung tapik.
8 of 69 total itong si Michael Donegan, but he's made 5 free throws na dito sa ating third quarter. 3 of 9 lang kanina yan. He continues to improve here in the second half.
Malaking factor yan para sa kupunan ng L21.
Binanggit mo na kanina, sino ang unang nakakuha ng range from the free throw line? Malamang maganda ang kalalagyan.
Tama ka doon, partner. Yan na nga, kasi siya.
Oh! Wally! Nagigisuki ng L21. Sa butataan dito, here's a 3. Meno! Mentis! Donegan underneath with no shoot off. Problemo! Para dito kay Team London.
Coach Franz Pumaren has a gem of an import partner. Getting that defensive board again and the putback.
Tinapla na ng M21 yung biggest lead of the game na naitayo ng Rainer Shine at the half, 7 points. Jervy from the outside, long first goal.
Back in the day, you'd give that to Jervy, you let him shoot that. Pero ngayon, hindi na pwede. You have to have a hand in the face dito kay Jervy Cruz.
Donegan kontra Belga, kick out pass, Cortez for 3. No! Rebound, Jaire taps it away from Isip. Rainer Shine will be on the attack. Norwood hinihingi kontra kay Cortez. Gabe wanting to use his height against the Kuka. Tutulong si Donegan. Here's Jerby once again. Same spot, different result. Norwood trying to slap it, and they will retain possession as Arboleda could not handle it.
Nice heads up play. Galing dito kay Gabe Norwood. Partner, tinapik na. He knew he had no chance of getting that ball from Mike Donegan. In turn, sa kanila magsustay ang bola.
Ako magagalit to si Jolly Escobar sa ating producer
Ano
na si
nangyari?
Jello De Jesus dahil mula sa ating Easter Sunday crowd inside the Moa Arena, mahanap na natin ang ating mga ulala mahal ng masa fans of the day. Mula sa masarap, malaman, mura at convenient kasi easy to open ulalam ready to eat ulam. Para sa masa, mahal ng masa, ulalam 15 pesos lang. Hindi niya ba nakuha yung memo, Mike Salwan? Sa ulalam si Jolly kakain. Hindi ba nakuha yung memo na yan?
Partner, nasa out of town na naman. Kumakain ako ng pizza tsaka pasta doon.
No, pinakain ka ni Tita Bobot nun eh, no? 60-56 is the score. Air 21 up by only 4 points now as Jeff Chan rattles out the second. Coach Yang playing all Filipino here dahil sunod-sunod na foul nga napulot ng kanyang import na si Bruno Shundo.
Mahirap na. Medyo lumalabig na yung kanyang shot watch at 3-pointer. So, medyo napakanawala na yung part.
Donegan cross-court to Minor. No. Helga with a rebound. Nauna si Chan. Perfect pitch. Fly-by move. And delivers the 2 points.
Credit that to Bo Belga, partner. Beautiful pass, as you said, over the head of itong si paring Willie Arboleda. Ang ganda naman ng pump fake again. Itong si Jeff Chan with a nice finish.
60-58. Rain or shine now within 2. The Air 21 goes to Donegan. Kick out pass. Isip. Isip in trouble. Hand off pabalik kay Donegan. They go to the other side. Minor from the baseline. And he drops the deuce.
Michael Donegan knows Ogie Minor can make those 3-pointers. Attacks the basket. Nakita niya a wide open Minor sa right flank ng court. 3-pointer for Minor.
Belga surveys. Gets into Chaire. Lini Discarte. Chan, step back pass, Jerby, back to Chan, somebody's got to shoot. OG Minor a little too close to Jeff.
Pesky defense, he knows what Jeff Chan can do. So grabe ang dikit naman itong si Minor dito kay Chan. A little bit over-aggressive that time. Pero talagang minsan kay Jeff kailangan dikit talaga. Dahil once if he makes one, then very streaky to Jeff Chan. Ito mas working mga air dito kasi sa free throw.
Aranya and Chu come in to replace the backcourt para dito sa Rain or Shine. Jeff Chan will move over. O baka siya pa rin dito, si Aranya Tetres dito. Split para dito kay Jeff. Cuts this deficit to 3. Just over a minute and a half remaining sa quarter number 3. Chu will be hounding etong si Mike Cortez. Isip, taking that handoff, pupunta kay Ritualo. They swing it to the left. Donegan at the post, goes cross-court. Cortez for 3. No. Nice box out by Belga on Donegan.
Tama ka doon, partner. Talagang na-plant. Hindi nakagalaw si Donegan that time using his weight. Itong si Bo Belga.
Chan, nakita si Jerby. Nice fake! Oh, business ka lang. Magagalit sa'yo si Escobar yan.
He got Mike Donegan out of the way pero hindi pa rin niya na-finish. Itong si Jerby Cruz.
62-59. Air 21 wanting to add to this 3-point lead. Arboleda gustong matakin ang rookie na si Chris Chu. They go to Isip, short stab. Isip delivers.
Mark Isip rarely misses those 10-12 footers, partner.
At nagkakainatan na dito si Belga at si Donegan.
Paparagpag ng gusto itong si Bo Belga dito kay Mike Donegan.
Aranya di diskarte. Sinalubong nila. Nalusutan! Ryan Aranya!
Aranya, no? Oo nga, partner, splitting about a couple of defenders. Etong si Aranya able to finish with yung kanyang strong hand left hand.
Ito pa rin ang abante ng Air 21. Kaprasong diferensya between the shot clock and quarter clock. Arboleda taken away by Chan. He's being chased down by Cortez. Jeff, iniliyat pa sa kabila.
Great control from Jeff Chan. Nakita niya the chase down from Mike Cortez, still managing to finish the layup.
Oh, turnover. Nahirapan ng Air 21, walang tumulong kay Ritualo. At yun yung sinasabi ni Cortez, bumaba kayo. 5 segundo pa to. So Rain or Shine with a golden opportunity to snatch the lead away from Air 21.
That's correct.
Sa pagtatapos ng quarter number 3.
Michael Chris, JR Sina for winning.
No fouls to give para dito sa Air 21. Chris Chu maglalabas ng bola. Aranya, nanakaw na naman. Sneaky, mintis nga lang. Shoot! Ayaw pa rin pumasok para sa Rain or Shine. So at the end of the first 36 minutes of action, it is Air 21 on top, 64-63 in what has been a very entertaining ball game. Sa sobrang init ng labanan, nasira pa ang buzzer dito. Ang klaseng bakbakan sa tag-init ang ating natutunghayan. Both ways emotional. Both teams wanting to sustain their runs. 5-game winning streak ng Air 21 nakatapat sa 2-game streak naman ng Rain or Shine. 18 games to go na lang ang natitira sa ating Commissioner's Cup Elimination Round. As we take a look at the free throw shooting, Jolly, binabanggit mo to at the half, tututukan natin. Free throw shooting in the third quarter, Air 21, 11 of 13. Halos walang sinayang. Rain or Shine, 2-5.
Walang previous point. They're not attacking the basket itong Rain or Shine. Kaya naman biglang nakahabol. A good run late in the third para dito sa Air 21. Tapos shooting very well. As you mentioned, 11 of 13 from the free throw area. That's why naman start of the fourth, they are up by 1 pang Air 21.
And right here, habang nag-free throw si Ryan Aranya, makibalita muna tayo kay Miss Jessica.
Effort sa depensa ang pinag-usapan ni Coach Yang Giao sa huli nilang huddle. Sabi niya, we need to make an effort to close out. Hindi dapat hinahayaang tumira ang mga taga-Air 21. Dagdag din niya, support defense ng lahat ng mga player. Kailangan niyang makita sa susunod na mga minuto, guys.
Thank you, Jessica.
Yes, sir. Kaya kailangan natin. Tulad yung sinabi niya, it has to be a collective effort. Diba? Support ng other players. Kasi the given players, yung mga magagaling, they're there, day in, day out. Pag sinuportahan pa ng the rest of the cast,
Aranya with a steal. Aranya switching hands in midair. Labandang Rain or Shine, 66-64.
very strong hand, always finishes very well. Itong si Ryan Aranya, nakita natin the time.
All three fourth quarter points ng Rain or Shine, courtesy of Aranya. Custodio, pinagpag si Chu. Iikot kay Wilson ang bola. Wilson to the corner. Ritwalo. Long two para dito kay Renren. Kasama nila. Bagong pasok si JR Sena. At etong si Easy.
Partner, another one of those very streaky shooters. As we know, kung si Ren Ritwalo, they cannot get it going. Nakita natin, naka-jump shot siya from left side.
Aranya nakaltag. Binanggit mo ng third quarter. Tila kulang yung aggressive sa pag-atake ng Rain or Shine, getting only 5 free throw attempts. Aranya, sunod-sunod na atake ginagawa
Tama ka,
dito.
partner. I'm sure yan ang sinabi din ni Coach Yang sa kanila. We went to the line only for a few times, 4 or 5 times lamang. Yun ang ibig sabihin nun. You're not getting fouled. You're not attacking the basket. Kaya ito, hindi naman sila attacking now.
Chan to Belka. Sobra. Kirby underneath. Gets the 2 points against the shot clock.
Probably just getting that offensive goal. Very well timed. At saka ngayon, making sure. Earlier, he missed that 2-pointer from the same spot. Pero ngayon, sinigurado na niya.
Cruz gambles. Sena making it pay.
One-hander galing dito kaya James Sena. Nicely done putting the ball on the floor. 1-2 dribbles.
Belga sa kabilang dulo. Hand off to Chan. Step back long two.
Started, partner. Yan ang problema. You have to have a hand in their face. Especially guys like that, Jeff Chan.
Jeff Chan now with a conference personal high 11 points for himself. Steal by Rain or Shine. Jeff Chan. Dire-diretso. 2 shots para sa kanya.
Nandun na sa zone si John Wilson na charge zone. Kaya hindi na kahit medyo naka-establish siya, hindi na itatawag yan.
Hindi ba pwede? Automatic yun. Basta natin mo sa circle. Unless mag-extend ng tuhod o para
Correct.
automatic blocking niya.
2 free throws para dito kay Jeff Chan.
Chan patuloy na nagsastruggle mula sa free throw line. Before tonight, 60% shooting siya. Ngayon, 2 of 6 siya.
Puro split ang nangyayari rin dito para kay Jeff Chan. He usually makes his second free throw.
Chan, yeah, pinasok yung pangalawa. So patuloy na gumaganda yung kanyang personal conference high. 12 puntos na ngayon for himself. 72-68 lamang ng apat ng Rain or Shine. Custodio trying to carve out space kontra kay Chu. Donegan, handoff. Easy. Uy, alam ko, ililista na.
Patay sa kanya usually yan, mga 8-10 feet, ano? Pero not that time para kay Mark Easy.
Chan going down the gut of the defense. Niluwalag ng ring yung pagkatira.
Pero very obvious partner na sinabi ni Coach Yengel, attack the basket, ano? Puro sila atake. Ryan Aranya, now we see a lot of attacks from Jeff Chan.
Custodio gets it down low. Easy. Has Chan switching out on him. The one-hander doesn't work. Cruz tracks it down.
Defense will play a very big key para makakuha ng win para sa bawat partner. About making stops as we see an air ball galing dito kay Ryan Aranya.
72-68, Rainer Shine, pilit pinapangalagaan ang 4 puntos silang kalamangan. Itong R21, ang mga problema na naman sa kanilang opensa. They go to Donegan. Kick out pass, they swing it. Wilson for 3, careful din.
Ryan Aranya had a piece of that partner.
Shine on the run. Ritualo to beat. Sinalubong pa ni Wilson. Walang problema para kay Jeff Chan.
Panay ang atake ng Rain or Shine partner. Earlier, yung play ng Air 21, it's always from Michael Donegan, attack and then kick out.
Ritualo na nakaw. Dalawa ng ring sa kabilang tulo.
Hindi nakaka-finish ang Air 21 players. That's why naman biglang up by 6.
Pero si Jeff Chan, looks like he tweaked something sa kanyang kanang balikat nung kanyang huling finger roll layup. I-inspeksyonin niya ni Miss Jessica at babalita sa atin sa aming pagbabalik. Rainer Shine via Ryan Aranya, nagmintis na naman na isang tres pero sinuwerte dahil itong si Canaleta hindi na-handle yung rebound as we see a lot of worried looks on that bench of Rainer Shine dahil nga nasaktan etong si Jeff Chan. Para mabalitaan natin ano nga ba nangyari dito sa ating sniper. Balikan natin si Jessica.
It looks like na hatak ang shoulder ni Jeff Chan sa layup niya kanina. Nagka-craps daw ng konti. As of now, isi-stretch lang muna ng mga PT. They're gonna see if he can still play after that, guys.
Yeah, right after that finger roll, Jolly, kita na natin he was grimacing in pain na tumakbo R21 looking to capitalize. Nagmintis lang sila sa layup sa kabilang.
Tama ka for the two. The good thing about it is he was trying to shake off yung kanyang kanan, which was not the hand he used for laying the ball in na pumasok. Ano? So kung yung kanan baka nahataw or baka yung na-step na.
Another steal by Rainer Shine. Jervy has Canaleta to beat. Nice sidestep by Jervy. Cruz to get the 2 points.
What I love when a big guy puts the ball on the floor, 2-3 dribbles na ganyan. A big man, Jervy Cruz, able to finish for the basket.
This now is the first double-digit spread ng ating laro. 78-68. What a time for it to come para sa Rainer Shine. R21, pilit babawi. They go to the corner. Omolon for 3. No. Rebound Aranya. Rainer Shine is starting to take control, Johnny.
Very good defensive stop galing dito sa Rain or Shine. Tsaka partner, yung minimension natin earlier, yung kick out galing kay Michael Donegan sa mga teammates na hindi nila napipinish eh.
Belga with a floater. In and out. True battling with Donegan para sa rebound. Malamang nga, Paul.
Sumapit na lang sa puno. No chance to get that ball. Kaya talagang sasabit na lamang itong si Cruz.
Rodriguez, papalitan muna si Cruz. Arboleda nandiyan naman para sa R21. Pinagpahinga si Custodio.
Shundov, pinakita natin at medyo napapakamot na siya dyan dahil
Matagal na siya sa bench. No problem para kay Gocheng. Alam mo naman si Gocheng, kung sino mainit.
Tama.
Siyang ibababa dito. Nakabuo sila ng 10 puntos sa kalamangan.
Correct.
Nakaupo ang kanilang import.
so why not nga naman. Maganda, playing very well basketball. Itong
All kinds of help are always welcome.
yes sir, siyempre players to Dinudeng and his family in this time of time.
78-68, Rainer Shine looking to put R21 in their time of crisis. Panggaan na naman si Belga at Donegan sa pwestuhan. Shuna libre. Chris Chu delivers the 2 points.
Chris Chu, one of those deadly guards para dito sa Rain or Shine partner. Kaya nakakahanga ka rin sa Paul Lee who's not in this ball game. Nandiyan na siya sa bench getting ready to check in. Pero he puts up very good numbers kahit na in the presence of itong sila Chris Chu and sila Ryan Aranya and Gabe Norwood were very good players.
Donegan against 3. Nakakuyog si Michael Donegan. Napulot naman siya ng foul sa isa sa mga taga-Rainer Shine.
Tinatatluhan na partner itong si Michael Donegan. Ganyan siya kalakas. Kailangan talaga if not a double team, a triple team para sa kanya para mabitawan niya man lang ang bola. Kasi alam nila talaga nila atake itong si Mike Donegan.
So with 6:16 remaining in this game, nagbalik na nga sa laro. Ito si Paulie, pinalitan si Chris Chu. Cortez betakan ng bola. They go to Donegan. Helga on him. Donegan picks up his dribble. Cortez aatake, looking for Donegan. Canaleta sumasagupa. Cortez for 3 against the shot clock. No, Rodriguez with the rebound. Air 21 almost ran out of time.
Again, another nice stop para dito sa partner sa Rain or Shine at namagana sa 12 ang kanilang kalaban.
Ryan Aranya continues to hurt them. Air 21 has only come up with 4 points dito sa ating final quarter. Mahigit 6 na minuto na lumilipas. Isang tamakmak na para sa Rain or Shine. Air 21 looking to fight back. Canaleta bintis sa kanyang 3. So napako pa rin sila sa 4 na puntos pa lamang dito sa fourth quarter. 19 na ang dinadagdag ng Rain or Shine sa kanilang total.
Partner, I mentioned this earlier, no, kung sinong down the stretch, kung sinong makakapagpagawa ng mga stops, yun ang most likely makakakuha nitong ball game. Yan ang pinapakita ng Rain or Shine ngayon, partner. Tipid na tipid ang mga pinibigay nila ng mga scoring opportunities para sa third 20.
Right on cue, Paul Lee nakaputa pa din dito kay Cortez. Nakabawi din siya. Rain or Shine would look to slow things down. Wala na pong 5 minuto natitira sa unang handog ng Easter Sunday basketball dito sa MOA Arena. Rodriguez nakuyog ng depensa. Arboleda fouled by Paul Lee. Last field goal netong Air 21 was courtesy of J. Arsena. 10.5 minute mark pa ng third quarter.
Tagal na.
10.5 minute mark netong fourth quarter.
Oo, partner, matagal na. Pero ito, a good sign, nakakuha ng stop itong Air 21, itong last play. No? Pero they need a basket body.
Arboleda obliges. Knocks it through. Tapos meron pang iimbestigahan na flagrant foul. Belga and Donegan with exchanging some words here.
This could be big, partner, para dito sa Air 21. A made three-pointer galing dito kay paring Winnie Arboleda. Tapos it seems that there will be a tech on Bo Belga. No? So
Merong foul. Iimbestigahan kung regular foul or flagrant foul. Nakita ko yung senyas flagrant yung senyas. Iimbestigahan naman yan ng ating officials.
Will be a big change para dito sa Air 21, partner.
Air 21, ang tagal na nga nilang hindi nakakabutas dito. Ito yung kick-out pass. Papasok yung tres dyan para kay paring Winnie. Keep your eye on the left side. Dyan sa rebound play.
Medyo, parang nawala sa camera kasi kung si Michael Donegan. Pero time and again, they have been going to that play.
Here's a better angle, Jolly. Tama?
Medyo flat tayo.
Hindi naman tumama Andun yung katawan, pero ang sinasabi yung sigos ang uso.
Yan naman ang ina-appeal ni
Regular foul, yung katawan lang. Body check na ginawa ni Bo Belga.
parang tinry niya rin kasi i-dodge. Nakita niya parating yung siko So, di ba? Pero talagang may body contact.
One free throw for Michael Donegan.
So one free throw parating para dito kay Michael Donegan. As that 3-point shot is counted, papalitan muna si Belga na ito ni Bruno Shunda.
Maganda, partner. It can be a game changer again, as I've said earlier, no, for Air 21, dahil they are down by 11 points.
So we're down by 14. And now, down by just 10. Tignan natin, 4.5. Sakto kayo natitira. More than enough time para sa Air 21. Aranya on the move. Puts it up and in. Ryan Aranya repeatedly hurting Air 21.
He knows, partner, that every time he attacks the basket, good things happen para dito kay Ryan Aranya. He either gets fouled or nakaka-finish siya ng fast break. Dyan earlier, he tried a three-pointer. I think it hit air lamang, pero ngayon, he's doing the right thing para sa kanyang kupunan na Rain or Shine.
Donegan, pull it pass out. Arboleda na naman. Back-to-back threes. Oh, ball lang. Long to lang para dito kay Arboleda, but still, that brings them to within 10 points.
Keeping them in striking distance, 55 Winnie Arboleda.
Shandog drops it off to Rodriguez. Taken away by Donegan.
Very good stop para dito sa Air 21, partner.
Arboleda to Cortez. Here's a three. Ayaw talaga para dito kay Gulgat. Aranya for the rebound.
That would have been big. If Mike Cortez would have made that 3-pointer, it would have been down to 7.
Shandog to Lee. Paul Lee. Konting po ang kanya nakita. Kicks it out. Shandog buries the three.
Nagpahinga lang ng panandali. Itong si Bruno Shundo, pero patuloy ang kanyang mga tira from 3-point area.
After hitting 3 of those in the second quarter, nadagdagan na niya ng kanyang pang-apat. Here in the fourth, drive draw mula kay Paul Lee. Wide open 3 para dito kay Shandog.
Paalala po sa mga chinikig na nandito ngayon, ang 200 hits na mauna sa pila.
What a run para dito sa Rain or Shine, answering the call just when we thought mag-uumpisa ng bumawi ang Air 21. Nakahanap na naman sila ng paraan, Jolly.
Well, tit for tat, bumabawi si Winnie Arboleda, pero ito makikita natin, Shundo.
Yan yung foul trouble kanina. Neto ni Bruno Shundov, he hit the bench in that third quarter. Ever since then, yung kanya locals picked up the slack. Pero dito, sabi Shundov, teka lang, sali din ako dyan. Pasok din yung tres niya yun.
Sali sa festivities, unang pasok niya, unang tira niya from 3-point area kasi he was feeling it from earlier. Eh, pumasok na naman ang kanyang tres, no?
Yung tinatakot mo kanina, usually nanlalamig mga player pagka ganun katagal na naupo sa bench.
Pero pagka ganyan, ibig sabihin, shooter din talaga, no? So, walang lamig-lamig. Pagkapasok, sinubukan niya kaagad, pumasok naman kaagad.
Shundov shoots better than 36% from that 3-point line. 4 of 5 sa gabing ito. 87-74 is the score. Air 21 looking to answer in a big way. Ritualo, where will he go? Back to Canaleta. Arboleda looking for Donegan. They kick it out. Minor for 3. Air ball. Norwood for the rebound. Nag-aantay ng kasabay sa kanyang pagtakbo. Hindi siya nabuting lang. Ito naman yung half-court shot natin ngayon. Aranya once again. Very, very sneaky. Ito si Ryan Aranya.
Does that so well, finishing with his strong hand every time. Taas na ang percentage niya to be able to finish that left-handed layup.
Canaleta lines it up. Punches it through. That's a 3. That keeps Air 21 within striking distance. 12 lang ang kailangan nila katulad dito.
You need to make a stop. Partner, 2 minutes and 15. Air 21 has to make a stop right here to get some things going.
Norwood to Shundov. Back to Norwood. Nakita pa si Rodriguez. Team basketball at its best being displayed here by Rain or Shine.
Nicely done, partner. Everybody chipping in dito sa papuntang 2-minute mark. End game. Larry Rodriguez joining in the festivities. Look at this. From Shundov to Gabe to Larry Rodriguez with the finish. Maganda sa ganyan, partner, when everybody's involved, talagang everything's clicking, ano? Kasi everybody's feeling good about themselves. You got your Ryan Aranya, Larry Rodriguez joining in the fun, Gabe with the assist, Shundov with his 3-pointers.
Speaking of assist, Gabe Norwood, pang-anim na assist na yun, ha? Para dito kay Gabe. 2-minute warning inside the MOA Arena. Mamaya po, ha? San Mig Coffee kontra Baracabul Energy Cola. As Donegan throws it down. Beautiful pass coming from Isin.
Alam ko, medyo mataas na yun, partner, pero inabot pa rin. Itong si Michael Douglas for Corona.
Air 21 looking for a stop. Hindi Discarte. Arboleda on him. Paul Lee crossover. In traffic. Paul Lee. No. Aranya rebound. Loses the follow though. Air 21 with a glimmer of hope here. Canaleta lines it up.
Coming down to 10 points, partner. Yun na lang ang deficit nitong Air 21.
Rodriguez pa napilitang magtawid dito ng bola. Isip bothering him. At puwersa na si Rodriguez into this timeout. Take another look at this Air 21 fight back starting with that throwdown. Tapos stress galing dito kay Canaleta.
And that pass was over the head of 7'3" Bruno Shundov.
Oh, yun ang importante doon, ano? Napakataas nung kailangan pagpasahan mo as we take a look at our Prestone Cool under pressure play. Starring dito, Bruno Shundov. Yan yung pamatay na tres na binitawan niya kanina lamang. Brought to you by Prestone Coolant. Prevents overheating. Works better than water alone. Now in a cool new packaging.
Kagandaan sa tira na yun. Part ng bagong pasok lang yan after a long time hitting the bench. Itong si Shundov.
Prestone Coolant nga gamit niya. Okay lang, kahit malamig, papasok pa rin ang kanyang tira. Polly, naghanap ng pantiin dito, almost losing his footing. Nadaga yata dahil napag-focus sa kanyang footing. Sakit yata rin.
Oo. Charlie Horse. Naaawa ako dito kay Winnie Arboleda. May screen sa kanya, number 14.
Aray ko.
Aray ko, yun ang masasabi mo doon, di ba?
Pati ito si Polly, aray ko. Nakadrawing sa kanyang pagmumukha sa ngayon. Nahirapan siya ipagpag, ano? Ipagkakatuwid sa kanya.
Sinuturuhan, no?
92-82 is the score. Penalty ng Air 21, so Polly will be shooting to the line for 2 shots.
Again, partner, yung end game stops, you know, very important. Nakita natin na medyo naka-breakaway ng gusto itong rain or shine. A bunch of stops, 4 or 5 stops galing dito rain or shine. Sadly, ito sila.
Pero Polly cannot go, which means kung sakali itong last 105 or kung magkakaroon na extension kung sakali, hindi na siya pwede bumalik sa larong ito. Sinab out siya dahil kahit siya yung mag-free throw, hindi na siya pwede bumalik dito.
Dito, makikita natin where he's going to get clipped, you know?
Laking tuhod na.
Yun, malaking tuhod nitong si Michael Brannigan.
Jeff Chando takes care of both free throws.
Technical call of rain or shine at Coach Yang for using profane
At na-technical pa si Coach Yeng Giao. Team owners, natatawa ito sa likod. Raymond Yu and Terry Ken. Natatawa na natawagan ang kanilang coach ng technical.
Well, medyo nabibigyan ng opening ang Air 21 dito, partner. That's Canaleta on the line. He makes his first. He can put this down to 10 points if he makes his... No, yes. Ito, possession pa pala sa kanila.
Technical lang yun.
Ang deficit, yes.
Pero napakahaba pa nito, Jolly. 65 seconds remaining. Air 21, those gotta go quick. Arboleda in the front court kontra kay Aranya. Now Norwood switches out on him. Canaleta, hindi makawala dito kay Aranya. Shundov clears the board.
Kind of a tough shot para dito kay KG Canaleta. Step back, 3-pointer. Almost went in, though. Backfire naman.
And that should do it. Etong rain or shine looks like they will be tying Alaska at the top of the team standings once again, snapping this 4-game win streak of Air 21.
Always playing very well. Rain or shine. You cannot be relaxed when you play this team, partner. Andyan sila palagi. Very balanced basketball. Collective efforts from everyone. Mary Rodriguez, Chad, Ryan Arana. Parang papabayaan na siya dito. Hindi na siya mag-a-attempt.
Pero may diferensya pa ang shot clock at game clock. So Ryan Aranya, titignan niya. Kung mauubra ang kanyang kamay mula sa labas, ayaw talaga. Ang ganda naman ng nilaro nito ni Ryan Aranya just when his team needed it most. Shundov, what a performance all throughout the game. Pero nung napal trouble siya, sino ang tumayo? Sino ang humaligi para dito sa rain or shine? It was Ryan Aranya.
Aranya, partner. Nakita natin, as we mentioned kanina, puro sila mga outside shots. It was not clicking for them. And as I mentioned to you, it was obvious na sinabi ng mga staff and coach Yenga, especially na to attack the basket. Dami natin nakita from Jeff Chan, mga atake. Ryan Aranya, ang daming atake, ang daming finishes at ang daming free throws. Doon nag-widen ang gap, kaya lumagan lamang itong rain or shine.
94-83 is your final score at ready na nga ang hero of the day para dito sa rain or shine. None other than Ryan Aranya. Ray, napal trouble yung inyong import late in that third quarter. Biglang ikaw yung nagdala ng laban early in that fourth. Puro salaksak ginawa mo. Yun ba talaga ang advice sa inyo ni Coach Yeng?
Sabi lang sa amin ni Coach Yeng nga, kailangan be aggressive. So, yun, atake lang na atake. Kung sinong libre, tira. Basta yun lang, matake ka lang. Papagalitan ka pag hindi pa umatake.
Kaya naglalagay ba kayo sa premium sa making stops ninyo sa mga defensive plays niya? Kasi at one part, sa mga third quarter, ang dami yung stops, sunod-sunod, napako ang Air 21 sa inyo. Talaga bang naglalagay kayo ng premium sa defense?
Oo, kasi doon kami effective sa depensa talaga kami kumukuha ng opensa. Well, sabi nga nila, opensa mas magandang manalo sa depensa kaysa
Tama.
opensa, di ba?
Ray, belated happy birthday nga pala sa iyo.
Salamat.
At
Happy birthday, partner!
Thank you.
Ito pagkakataon mo, tabla na naman kayo for first place, Ryan. Itong pagkakataon mo, imbitahan ang lahat ng iyong mga kaibigan, kamag-anak, bayan ng Rain or Shine, pati na yung iyong mga kaklan.
First, pati pang mga kaklan. First of all, gusto kong batiin yung daddy ko, belated happy birthday. Yung mga tiga Kasiguran Aurora, mga tiga Baler, yung mami ng girlfriend ko, si Michelle, tita Rosaline, mga tiga Bagong Pag-asa, yung mga tribo Pilipinas, kakalang ko sa game. Maraming
Cross
salamat.
bowlers pa.
Cross bowlers pala, dyan din.
Yan. Congratulations once again, Ryan Oranyan. Congratulations sa Rain or Shine. That'll do it for us dito sa First Game Cruise. Ang ala ni Jessica Mendoza, ni Jolly Escobar, Direk Rafi Ramano, producer nating si Jello. Pag umarjan po, nagpapasalamat sa inyong panonood. Stand by for San Mig Coffee and Barako Bull Energy coming up sa aming pagbabalik.